In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect your Ionos domain to Hostinger. By the end, your domain will be properly linked so that when someone types your web address, it will load the website hosted on your Hostinger account. Let's start from your Hostinger dashboard, also known as hPanel. Go ahead and log into your Hostinger account, then look at the main menu and find the section called Websites. This is where all your active sites and hosting plans are listed. Locate the website or hosting plan you want to connect your Ionos domain to and click the Manage button next to that plan. This will open the main dashboard for that specific hosting account. Once you're on the hosting dashboard, take a moment to look around for a section labeled Plan Details or Name Servers. The exact label can vary slightly depending on updates to the interface, but it will usually be in the main overview area or under a settings tab related to your hosting plan. What you're looking for is a pair of name servers provided by Hostinger. When you find them, you should see two entries. In 2026, they typically look something like this: ns1.ddnsparking.com and ns2.dnsparking.com. These name servers act like signposts on the internet, telling browsers where to go to find the files for your website. Your goal is to copy these values and then paste them into your Ionos domain settings. Carefully copy the first name server, the one that starts with ns1. You can usually copy it by highlighting the text and using your normal copy shortcut. Then do the same for the second one, the ns2 address. It's important that you copy them exactly as they appear without adding any extra spaces or characters, because even a small typo can prevent your domain from connecting correctly. Now switch over to your Ionos account in another tab or window and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, go to the section where your domains are listed, select the domain you want to connect to Hostinger, look for the DNS settings or name servers section for that domain. Different interfaces may label this slightly differently, but you're specifically looking for where you can edit or change the domain's current name servers. When you find the name server fields, delete any existing values that might already be there, and then paste in the two Hostinger name servers you copied earlier. First, paste the ns1 address into the first name server field, and then paste the ns2 address into the second field. Double check both entries to make sure they match exactly. After you've entered both name servers, save your changes in Ionos. Depending on their system, this might be a save, apply, or confirm button. Once that's done, the connection process has officially started. Keep in mind that DNS changes don't apply instantly. It can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours, and in some cases even a bit longer, for the new name servers to fully propagate across the internet. During this time, some visitors might still see the old site or a temporary page, while others see the new one on Hostinger. And that's all you need to do. You've copied the name servers from Hostinger and added them to your Ionos domain, which is the key step in connecting the two.